Expanding your verbal power. Mastering verb-forming suffixes. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be diving deeper into the world of advanced English vocabulary. Specifically, we are going to learn about how to use verb-forming suffixes in writing and conversation. This knowledge will enable you to expand your English vocabulary exponentially and express yourself more eloquently. Let's get started. To begin with, we need to understand what verb-forming suffixes are. These are a group of letters added at the end of words to change their forms into verbs. Some common examples include is, n, and ify. These suffixes can help you transform simple words into more complex verbs, thereby making your English richer and more nuanced. Now, let's take a look at some common verb-forming suffixes and how they're used in sentences. 1. Is. This suffix is used to transform nouns and adjectives into verbs. For example, modern becomes modernize, meaning to make something more modern. 2. N. This is often used to form verbs that denote a change in state. For instance, deep becomes deepen, implying the process of becoming deeper. 3. Ify. This suffix implies the process of making or becoming. For example, solid becomes solidify, meaning to make something solid. Practice using these suffixes in your writing and conversation, and see how it can make a difference. Next, we'll delve into some practical exercises to help you master these verb-forming suffixes. Exercise 1. Try to form new verbs by adding the suffixes is, n, and ify to the following words: simple, wide, long, quiet, pure. Exercise 2. Use the newly formed verbs in sentences. For instance, she managed to simplify the complex theory. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering new vocabulary. And there you have it, folks. By understanding and practicing how to use verb-forming suffixes, you can truly elevate your English language proficiency. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step you take gets you closer to mastery. Keep practicing and never hesitate to experiment with new words and structures. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.